Bam. Hi, Susie. What year is this?
2003.
What model?
Saab 9.3 linear.
What are we doing?
Changing the power steering pump.
Are we?
Hopefully.
What size is that?
A ½ inch.
That is not a ½ inch. All these Saabs. That is a... What size is that?
13.
Alright. Somehow I got oil on my phone. Doesn't surprise me. Maybe. What size is that?
This was a 19.
19.
This side.
Yeah, you can bend that secondary air injection tube out the way if you need more room.
We might need an extension.
Okay. They're in the tool cart. Yeah, none of that probably was there. Got it started?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Yeah, that hose might be getting me too. You get it?
I really cannot tell.
Well, it feels like it's on it now. Making all the other YouTubers look bad doing it one-handed. It's like, all fiddly. That one girl that'll watch this will be like, ooh, he's good with his hands. There it is. Blindfolded with one hand. I did it looking through a viewfinder. It's pretty impressive. So there's a top bolt and a bottom bolt and a high pressure hose, and the high pressure hose was the 19 millimeter, and the top and bottom bolts on the power steering pump were 13 millimeters. Looks like there's a hose clamp on the return down there. those angled jawed needle nose pliers, I think, are in the cart too.
Let's see.
Did you get the bolt out?
I think
Well, I guess so.
it's loose.
Grab the angled needle nose out of the cart. You should be able to grab this, get the wire off, and then you can pull it out of there some more.
Maybe that bolt's still on there a little bit.
Should be able to spin it by hand, right? Yeah, wiggle the pump and try to get the bolt by hand. Is the bolt out?
Apparently not all the way out.
Yeah, use your fingers to locate the bolt. There's that kid Mikey wants to race.
I'll end that way.
Will it spin by hand?
My fingers are too slippery.
Get the bolt out?
Yep.
Where's the bolt?
Still on there.
Pull it out. Alright. Take your wire off and then pop that hose off. Need a wider angle lens. You could lift the pump out of there and get more access. Take that wire off the top.
Just pop it out.
Yeah, I think just pull straight up. Yeah. Open them wider. What are you doing? There you go. Go at them with the points down. Or that. Do you have man hands enough for that? Yeah, you need a lot of power to do that. Yeah, I remember there being a lot of room left to be able to pull the pump up and out.
Yeah, there's like no holes to pull it out.
Let me try. Ah, wrong. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, it might be easier for you with the vice grips. They put more power down. Okay, you gotta catch all that, well, I'd say power steering fluid, but all that motor oil that's now in your power steering pump. Yeah, see if you can bite it here, and then get the hose to spin on the pump. Because what happens is the rubber hose adheres itself to the nipple, and if you can get it to rotate, it'll come off. And that would be, like, the regular round pliers would technically be better for that. Is the hose spinning?
No.
No, go grab some regular round pliers, so you don't stab a hole in it. Oh yeah, that's way better. Yeah, once it spins, it should be free. Then you should be able to bite it just after the nipple, and then twist and pull, and it ought to come off. There it goes. this autofocus, man. All right. It will pee oil everywhere. All right, grab your replacement. Where'd that come from?
The parts car.
Oh yeah. Well, you got to change that seal. Yeah, that should be enough on that side. Whoa. That's like 1,000 times too much. Yeah, try to wipe all of that off with your fingers. You just go like that and wipe all of it off. All right. The notch goes in the hole.
You have a light on that thing?
Nope. Yeah, I can't tell if that's in or not. Let me check it. All right. Seal has been placed on the pump. All right. Now you got to get that shaft in line with the camshaft, so the Allen drive lines up and engages.
There. It's not even.
Well, if you get the top one, and the bottom one should be aligned. So if you get the top one started, you should be able to technically put the bottom one right in. And you'll have a little bit of wiggle room with the pump. This camera is actually not too bad, because it is actually way darker than than this in person. Find it? Use your fingers.
I can feel it, but I lose the bolts when I get it there.
I could probably get it if you want.
I don't know. I'm just trying to get it started so I don't lose it. But
I got longer fingers. Okay. It'd be easier if it wasn't at 03. Bam.
I don't know if we had the extension on this or not.
I think you did. You could probably just spin it without the ratchet though, just to get it started. You wipe all that grease off of it. Did you get it?
Yep.
Good, then we can Google how much a shop charges to change one of these. Oh, it's $125 for the pump. Oh, my parts car was cheaper than that. We just had to give him the wheels.
It's Susie's spec, so it's probably gonna break.
It'll be all right.
When you hear steering goes, wah wah
Wah wah.
on the expressway.
Ta-da. Yeah, snug that bottom one up, snug the top one up,
No, I was gonna loosen it up.
and we'll be all set. I don't honestly think we have power steering fluid floating around.
Dump some used motor oil in it.
Yeah, right. Trying to remember what I.
Chunks help you drive smoother.
Yeah. I'm like, I used some power steering fluid for the lift gate on the Super Duty, but I don't remember where that's at. It smelled good. What was cooking?
Pork roast.
Ah,
Pork butt roast. 'Cause it's cheap, son.
that Aldi special.
No, that was Fresh County Market.
Oh, was it?
But for $1 a pound.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Gonna be
What's next on the Saab?
intercooler.
Intercooler? You need turbo. There's a little T.
There it is.
Yeah, this is a little T. You need big T.
I need bigger brakes. Immediately.
Did you see that thing I tagged you in on Facebook? No?
No.
That SCCA meet?
Oh, yeah, from like oh, whatever.
Yeah. I think
How tight does this need to be?
3 Uggas. Yep. It's a German spec. Guten tight.
Did Volkswagen teach you that?
No, Volkswagen taught me how to swear and find how to torture people
Yeah, right.
by inventing their own sockets and stuff, hardware. Actually, I had to buy I don't know how many more tools. Like triple square, 2 squares wasn't good enough. Did you wipe that off? I would totally have wiped that off. No, not my shirt. Nope. My mom bought me this shirt. My mom works at Kohl's.
Hi, Mom.
Don't hate. Thanks, YouTube, for not allowing us to play music over this due to copyright infringement. Because I would totally play some, like, Linkin Park or whatever in the background. You have to hit that with a hammer. Are you even spinning it the right way?
Yeah.
Oh my god, 29 minutes into this and no beer.
I need a hammer, I guess.
Is it starting? What do you got going on here, kid? Yeah, you're not even nowhere near the right angle, I don't think. You have to lift the back of the line up. Yeah, that right there, lift that up and push down towards the front. Oh, I hear Puerto Rican Mama, I think. Is it going? There, now try it. Man hands. Oh yeah, it's like way brighter on this screen than it is in actuality. It's like crazy dark. Is that one 3 Uggas? Did you put your wire on? No. Okay, that's right. Good deal. Got your wire on. Right there. Now you have to put that hose on. And I'll probably have to put the hose clamp on because it's in a spot. Let me grab my light. Bam.
Does it need to be all the way up?
Oh, that looks like it'll do it. I'd back it off like 1/8 of an inch though. Yeah, right there. That looks legit. Legit. Now you can bend your secondary air injection hose back down and just shove it back onto the...
It bends?
Yeah. Well, it's not supposed to, but I bent it. All that's going to get deleted once you go big turbo anyway. There's a zip tie down there that broke. Yeah, it's just zip tied to another loom or coolant hose. There you go. Yeah, none of the other cars have that, just dilapidated 03. Alright, that's it. That's all. It's done.
It needs a cap.
It needs a cap. Yeah, the cap's